And finally,
beer.
300 ml
Of beer.
of any beer really. Hi, I'm Derek, Ava's dad.
Hi, I'm Ava, Derek's daughter.
And today on Cook It Yourself we are making, what we're making, Aves?
Beer battered curry Pakoras.
You tried them yesterday, didn't you?
I had beer.
Ava had beer yesterday. Naughty parent. Aye. You enjoyed them though, didn't you? And you didn't get drunk, did you? Because we cooked all that. What happens is we cook all the alcohol out of the beer, so you can't actually get drunk. What are we putting in the big long name Pakoras? So do you want me to say the measurements and then you tell me what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got 230 grams of
Plain flour.
We've got 30 grams of
Baking powder.
Well done. We've got 2 tablespoons of
Mixed powder.
mixed powder. We've got 1 teaspoon of
Methyl leaves.
methy leaves, yeah. Also known as fenugreek leaves. Did you know that? No? Well, you do now. 1 teaspoon of
Garlic powder.
1 teaspoon of
Ginger powder.
1 teaspoon of
Chilies.
chilies, no.
Uh,
Pepper.
peppers.
That's coarse ground pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of,
Salt. Ooh.
and finally,
Beer.
300 ml
Of beer.
of any beer really, any beer you want. Guinness.
We've got Hobgoblin.
We've got
beer.
Hobgoblin. This one.
Hobgoblin.
Right, so, bowl. Take it away, Aves. What do we do? Now, I'll put the flour in first. Let's have the flour in. So you put the flour in. You're going to say it as you put them in.
Flour, plain flour.
Plain flour. Pepper.
Papa.
And then, is that it? Oh no, a bit of salt. Put a bit of salt in as well.
Sure.
We'll give that a little mix first. There you go, here's a spoon. Just a gentle mix. While you're doing that, I'll prepare some chicken. I'll just do a single breast for now and we'll do a load later, yeah?
Okay.
So we're cutting the chicken nice and small. Into basically bite-sized chunks like that. Because we're going to cook this from fresh. And so we want it to cook nice and quickly. Right, we done?
Yep.
Right.
Now can I pour the beer in?
Now pour the beer in.
Gently.
Gently pour the beer in. Beer. So first time with the mixer. Right hand. Put it in. You ready? I'll turn it on. And away you go. Nice and gently does it. Hold it nice and tight.
It's wet.
Try and get everything off the side as well. All done? Right, so we've all tidied up, haven't we? And we're ready to start the cooking process. Put the chicken, we're going to put the chicken into the flour.
Okay.
Give your hands, you don't like doing it.
It's like a slug.
Oh, come on, put. Right, you have to roll that around as well. So we've got some plain flour and we're just dropping the chicken pieces into the plain flour.
Ew, stick it to the board. Is that enough?
Yeah, let's do that for now, just so you need to roll them around and coat them all in the flour. So just turn them over. Don't need to roll them in it, that's it, just coat them in it, all the sides.
At least when it's coated, you know, when it's coated, because
Yeah.
it doesn't feel sticky.
That's it, you're right. And then drop them into the batter when you've done that. Doink. That's it. Doink.
Oh, more chicken.
More chicken.
More chicken.
Just to give that a quick stir around.
Okay. Is that basically it done?
That's pretty much everything done now. All we need to do now is to cook them. This side, because we've got hot oil this side and we don't want our kids near hot oil. So what I'll do is
My flans.
Your flans? What's a fland?
My hand was sticky from the chicken, and then I got it in flour, and now it's hard flour.
It's gone all hard. Okay, so we've got all the chicken coated in our lovely batter, haven't we?
Yep.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. And now we're heating the pan up to 180 degrees C. We've got vegetable oil in here. Up to the top, nice and full, so we've got plenty of room to fry the chicken.
I was waiting for you to notice.
So we're up to temperature, 180 degrees C, and it's time to drop them in. If Mummy comes over, what I do is I use a skewer, and
It looks like a fish.
I just let everything drip off a bit, and then we go into the hot oil, let it cook a little bit so that it hardens before we eventually take it off gentle. There we go. And now we've got to get them all in.
That's a chunky one.
That chunky one. We've got one more left. Quick as I can. Got room for one more. Pop that in there. So we're going to cook them now for about 4 to 5 minutes. Have we got a stopwatch? Okay, so they're floating around nicely. Try and flip them over. I've got one sunk to the bottom. They do stick to the net sometimes. There we go, he's come free.
So Daddy's just washing his hands, and then we're going to do that. Yummy, yummy taste test.
Yummy, yummy taste test.
Yep.
Right, so I'll just wash my hands, obviously. Working with chicken, you need to wash your hands regularly. They're pretty much cooked now, hopefully. They've been in for about 5.5 minutes. So we're going to take them out, turn the heat right down, and let them drain.
Why do we add the beer?
Why do we add the beer?
Yeah.
It gives it a nice texture.
Okay.
Makes it lighter and fluffier.
I thought they were supposed to be crunchy and nice. Not light and fluffy.
So that'll just take a little bit more of the oil out. The less oilier the better. We're going to check the chicken inside now. We have a little probe. And the end of the probe will tell me how hot the chicken is. Let's find the biggest one. That's quite a big one. Is that a big one there, Aves?
Yeah, that's big.
I'll tell you what, the chicken's shop. No, we'll do this one. So that's 88. Well over the 75, which is what we
91,
need.
92.
Yeah, they're well done, they are.
That one. 94.
94.
That one is 91.
91. So that's plenty of that. They're well cooked. Come in and shh. Oh, that's well cooked.
I like the batter though.
What do you think?
Absolutely fantastic!
My little girl's turned American all of a sudden. Right, let's try this one. There you go, bit of chicken. I'll have this one. You have that one. That's really hot, remember. Fuck, it was hot. You know, that batter is so light and so fluffy and so intensely tasty. A little bit oily, I must admit. You don't really need the chicken to be marinated and to have ticker on it. Would it make it better if you had chicken with ticker on it? Possibly. But then they're so nice on their own anyway, just like that. If you've got time to marinate it, I would say marinate your chicken, cook your chicken if you want, pre-cook it. You still cook it the same, you might be able to get away with doing it for 4 minutes instead of 5. But that's so nice. Have a try that. Turn to the camera, smile, and let them know.
These are better than yesterday.
Are they? I put a few extra little ingredients in it.
Have you not tried one?
I've tried one, yeah. I've tried 2. So, marks out of 10. 9.5 is that? 5.9. 10! Yes! We get 10 out of 10 for these. I think you'll find these are absolutely amazing. Again, ticker or no ticker, that is the question.
I hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure to like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave a good comment.
Leave a good comment. Bye. See you next time on...
See you next time on Cook It Yourself.
You can have them now.
Thanks.
What about it?
There's still one big one left.
I'll make some more. Go make you some more.